How to file 1099 MISC on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. A 1099 MISC form is issued to report miscellaneous income. The first thing you want to do is open your return in TurboTax. You can do that on the TurboTax website or the TurboTax software on your laptop or PC. Now, you want to navigate to the 1099 MISC section. For this, in the search bar, you want to search for 1099 MISC and select the Jump to link. Answer yes to did you get a 1099 MISC. If you already entered a 1099 MISC on the 1099 MISC summary screen, select Add another 1099 MISC. Now enter the info from your form into the corresponding boxes. If you need to enter boxes 4 to 6 or 8 to 17, select My form has other info in box 1 to 18 to expand the form. Once you have entered all the information you want to review, and then follow the on-screen prompts to file your tax. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.